Wouldn't it be wonderful to live in a world where disease is a thing of the past, where aging can be reversed, and where human intelligence is amplified by machines? A world where nanobots course through your bloodstream, repairing damaged cells and enhancing your physical abilities. In this world, artificial intelligence not only matches but surpasses human cognition, ushering in an era of unimaginable possibilities. This is not the distant future of science fiction, it is the near future as envisioned by Ray Kurzweil, a renowned futurist whose predictions have consistently been ahead of their time. Kurzweil's vision of the future is both thrilling and unsettling. Picture yourself in 2045, a year he dubs the Singularity, when machines become smarter than humans and technological progress accelerates beyond our wildest dreams. How will this transformation affect our daily lives, our jobs, our health, and our very essence as human beings? Kurzweil's predictions aren't just speculative musings, they are grounded in the observable trend of accelerating returns, where technological advancements build on one another, leading to exponential growth. This phenomenon is already evident in our world today. Think about how quickly smartphones have evolved from mere communication devices to powerful mini-computers, capable of performing tasks that seemed impossible just a decade ago. As you delve deeper into Kurzweil's future, you'll encounter a reality where biotechnology enables us to tweak our genetic code, potentially eradicating hereditary diseases and enhancing our physical and mental capabilities. Imagine having the power to eliminate cancer, heart disease, or even the common cold from your genetic makeup. The implications are staggering, raising profound ethical and societal questions that we must address. Consider the impact of nanotechnology, where microscopic machines operate at the cellular level to repair tissues, deliver precise treatments, and even augment human strength and intelligence. These innovations promise not only to extend human life but to fundamentally change what it means to be human. Yet, with these advancements come challenges. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation threatens to disrupt labor markets, potentially displacing millions of jobs while simultaneously creating new opportunities we have yet to imagine. How will society adapt to these changes? What will our roles be in a world dominated by intelligent machines? Kurzweil's vision isn't just about technology, it's about preparing humanity for the profound shifts that lie ahead. He emphasizes the need for continuous education, robust ethical frameworks, and strategic investments in research and development. It's a call to action for governments, businesses, and individuals to navigate this brave new world thoughtfully and proactively. Are we ready to embrace a future where the boundaries between human and machine blur, where our lifespans extend beyond current limits, and where our intelligence is amplified by AI? Kurzweil invites us to ponder these questions and consider the incredible potential and challenges that await. As you explore his predictions, you'll find a roadmap to a future that is as exhilarating as it is daunting, and you'll realize that the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Ray Kurzweil's vision encompasses several key themes. The Singularity. Kurzweil predicts the advent of the Singularity, a point in time, around 2045, when artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, leading to unprecedented changes in society, economy, and human life. This era will be marked by rapid technological advancements, where machines will not only match but exceed human cognitive capabilities. Accelerating returns. Kurzweil's law of accelerating returns suggests that the pace of technological progress is not linear but exponential. Innovations build on each other, leading to faster and more profound advancements over time. This acceleration will affect all sectors, from healthcare to energy, making previous predictions about technology's future seem conservative. Biotechnology and longevity. Biotechnology will revolutionize healthcare by enabling precise genetic modifications, regenerative medicine, and personalized treatments. Kurzweil envisions a future where aging can be reversed or significantly slowed, potentially leading to human immortality. Techniques such as CRISPR and advanced stem cell therapies will play pivotal roles in this transformation. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology will enable the creation of microscopic machines that can repair cells and tissues at the molecular level. These nanobots could enhance human physical and cognitive abilities, leading to improved health, extended lifespans, and augmented human capabilities. Human-machine integration. Kurzweil foresees a deep integration between humans and machines. This will involve brain-computer interfaces that allow direct communication between the human brain and external devices. Such integration will enhance cognitive functions, provide access to vast information, and enable new forms of communication and expression. AI and automation. Artificial intelligence will drive automation, transforming industries and labor markets. While this may lead to job displacement in some sectors, Kurzweil believes it will also create new opportunities and improve quality of life. AI will enhance productivity, creativity, and problem-solving capabilities across various domains. Strategy for preparation. Preparing for this future involves several strategic approaches. Education and lifelong learning, emphasizing the importance of continuous education to keep pace with technological advancements. This includes updating educational curricula to focus on skills relevant to future technologies, such as coding, data analysis, and critical thinking. Research and development, investing heavily in R&D to drive innovation and maintain a competitive edge. Governments, corporations, and institutions should collaborate to fund and support cutting-edge research in AI, biotechnology, and nanotechnology. Ethical and regulatory frameworks, developing robust ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to ensure the safe and beneficial use of advanced technologies. This includes addressing potential risks related to AI, genetic modifications, and privacy concerns. Healthcare transformation, focusing on preventive and personalized medicine to improve health outcomes and extend lifespans. Integrating advanced diagnostic tools, genetic therapies, and regenerative medicine into mainstream healthcare practices. Economic adaptation, preparing for economic shifts due to automation and AI by fostering innovation, entrepreneurship, and new job creation. Implementing social safety nets and retraining programs to support those displaced by technological changes. Infrastructure development, building the necessary infrastructure to support technological growth, including high-speed internet, advanced computing facilities, and secure data storage solutions. Public awareness and engagement, raising public awareness about the potential impacts of future technologies and encouraging active engagement in shaping their development. This includes promoting dialogue between scientists, policymakers, and the general public. Conclusion. Ray Kurzweil's vision of the future is one of profound change, driven by exponential technological growth. To prepare for this future, society must embrace continuous learning, invest in research and development, establish ethical and regulatory frameworks, transform healthcare, adapt economically, develop robust infrastructure, and engage the public in meaningful dialogue. By taking these steps, humanity can harness the potential of emerging technologies to create a better, more prosperous future.